So, good morning, my dear students. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the future continuous, the future perfect continuous. So, Sabrina will have been studying magic for 5 years when she moves to Glendale next April, for example. So, when do I use it? Future perfect continuous is used to indicate that something you started in the past or you are going at present will continue up to another action or moment in the future. I will have been working in this company for 15 years by 2023. When do I use it? To show cause and effect. I'm not worried about the exams, as I'll have been studying in the other rain for several weeks before. Remember, we can't use the continuous form with state verbs. State verbs show feelings or states such as love, be, forget, etc. When used in continuous form, we are changing the meaning of the verb. Structures: affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. Affirmative form is subject plus will have been plus gerund. Negative form is plus will not, won't, have been plus gerund. Interrogative form: will plus is plus have been plus gerund. You can replace will with going to. Sabrina is going to have been studying magic for 5 years when she moves to Greendale next April. What's the difference between these two tenses? Future perfect is perfect simple and the future perfect continuous. Finished actions when the moment comes. State and actions verbs. Predictions focused on result. Future perfect continuous actions in progress when the moment comes. Only actions verbs. And the predictions focused on the length of the action. Using future verbs are used in speech in order to show events and actions that will happen in the future. The future tense can be expressed in 4 different verb forms. Future simple. Простая неопределенная форма глагола в будущем. Future continuous. Длительная форма в будущем. Future perfect. Совершенная форма в будущем. Future perfect continuous. Совершенно длительная форма в будущем. Future tense will be future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Future continuous tense – будущее длительное время. Общая форма для образования future continuous tense. Subject plus will not plus be plus be ing. Утвердительное предложение I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus verb will plus be plus ing something. Отрицательное предложение I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus will plus not, have plus been plus verb ing something. Вопросительное предложение will not или or will be in the first place. Before I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus have been plus ving something. We use the future continuous to refer to temporary actions and the events that will be in progress at a particular time in the future. Trevor will be watching football match tomorrow at 8 p.m. Michael will be running a marathon this Saturday. For planned actions, emphasis on actions that will last a certain time in the future. They will be moving to Moscow next Monday. Sarah will be flying to Tokyo next morning. To politely ask a person about his plans for the near future and to find out if his plans don't coincide with our desires. We will be going to the kitchen later. Bring me a glass of soda. Signal orders for the future continuous tense. At 3 o'clock this time tomorrow, from 2 to during the day, for 5 hours, for a week, for months, all night, all day long, the whole morning and a day. Future Perfect Tense. Выдержанное совершенное время. Общая форма для образования Future Perfect Tense. Subject plus will not plus have is 3. Утвердители предложения I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus will plus have been plus were something. Отрицательное предложение I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus will not have been were something. Вопросительное предложение will not, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. We use future perfect to say how long for an action that starts before and continues up to another action or time in the future. Usually we need for. We can also use the future perfect continuous here, so you often use the future perfect simple with the stative purpose. When you get married, I'll have been known Robert for 4 years. At 4 o'clock, I'll have been in this office for 24 hours. With the future time word and often with by to talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in the future, but we don't know exactly when. By 10 o'clock I will have finished my homework. I will finish my homework sometime before 10, but we don't know exactly when. By the time I'm 60, I will have retired. I will retire sometime before I'm 60. Maybe when I'm 59, maybe when I'm 52. Then, continue, signal words for the future perfect tense. By that time, by Monday, by the end of the month, year, week, before, till, until, by then, by 5 o'clock, by tomorrow, by next week, by next month, by next year, by next century. Future perfect continuous tense. Будущее совершенное длительное время. Общая форма для образования Future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus will not plus have been plus ing. Утвердительное предложение I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Will plus will plus have plus been plus we, ing something. Отрицательное предложение I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Will not have been we, ing something. Вопросительное предложение will not, I, you, we, they, he, she, it have been we, something. Use the future perfect continuous form when you want to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. I will have been studying English for 3 years by the end of this course. They will have been working for 24 hours in a row by the time they finish. When we want to show cause and effect in the future, Jason will be tired when he gets home because he will have been jogging for over an hour. She will be tired when she gets home because she will have been traveling for over 24 hours. Signal words for the future perfect continuous. Till, until, since, for 2, 3, 4 hours, for 2, 3, 4 weeks, for a year, for 2, 3 years, by the end of the hour, by the end of the morning, by the end of the evening, by the end of the day, week, month and the year. Обобщение информации. Future continuous. Будущее длительное. For example, they will be working together in summer. John will not be helping you to decorate the room. Will be he eating his soup at 12 as usual. Future for by the time she arrives, we will have done all the week. Brad will not have fixed the time by the time we come to watch the game. We will have cooked chicken when I come home. By the 2020, I shall have been working here for 5 years. We will not have been writing the letter for 2 hours. We will have been doing your homework for 3 hours by 7 o'clock. So, let's continue, my dear students. So, guys, let's continue. Future simple. Use the future simple to talk about predictions. For example, there will be more desserts in the future. Promises, I will take you with next time. Threats, I will tell your friends about this. Offers, those bags look heavy. I'll carry some for you. For requests, will you help me with the cleaning? Decisions made at the time of speaking. So we used to be going to talk about the plans, arrangements for the future. I'm going to plant some trees in my garden. Something we know is going to. He's very tired. He's going to fall asleep very soon. Intentions. From now on, I'm not going to throw away paper with the other rubbish. Time expressions with the future simple. Tomorrow, soon, the day after tomorrow, tonight, next week. Future continuous. Affirmative, negative questions. I will be going, will be going. He, she, it will be going. We will, they be going. Negative forms. Will not. I will not be going. Will not be going. He, she, it will not be going. We, you, they will not be going. Questions. Will I be going? Will I be going? Will he, she, it be going? Will you, they be going? Future continuous. We use the future continuous to talk about something that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. This time tomorrow I will be traveling to Malta. Don't phone me at 4 o'clock because I'll be having a rest then. Time expressions with the future continuous. At 4 o'clock tomorrow, this time tomorrow, today, tomorrow afternoon, this time next evening. Future perfect simple. Affirmative. I, you will have gone. He, she, it will have gone. We, you, they will have gone. Negative forms. I, you will not have gone. He, she, it will not have gone. We, you, they will not have gone. Question form will be, will I, you have gone? Will he, she, it have gone? Will we, they have gone? So, future perfect. Future perfect simple. We use the future perfect simple to talk about something that will finish it before something else happened in the future. She will have done all the shopping before the supermarket closes. Something that will be finished before a specific time in the future. By 12 o'clock, I will have tidied the living room. Time expressions with the future perfect simple. Before, by the time, until, till, in 10 minutes, by next week. Future perfect continuous will be affirmative, negative, and the question. I, you will have been going. He, she, it will have been going. We, you, they will have been going. Negative forms. I, you will not have been going. He, she will not going. Will, they will not be going. So, future perfect simple. Use the future perfect continuous to emphasize the duration of an action up to a certain time in the future. By the end of May, Jill will have been living there for 15 years. Time expressions with the future perfect continuous. By the end of this year, how long by this Tuesday? For 3 years by next month. In 2 years' time. So, the question form will be, will I, you have been going? Will he, she, it have been going? Will we, you, they have been going? So, my dear students, at home you must write down all these forms of the future perfect continuous and the future continuous, and write down all these samples to your time expressions with the future perfect simple and the other at the times, and write down for your copybook. So thank you very much for your attention, guys. And the future perfect time expression with the future continuous, yes. So at 4 o'clock tomorrow, this time tomorrow afternoon, today, this time next evening. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for the attentions. And at home you must write down and learn by heart all the rules.